Air compressors are the power core of industrial production. Their host unit's stable operation directly determines your production line's efficiency and reliability. Even top-designed hosts wear overtime, causing downtime and high energy consumption. Shanghai Favorite Import and Export Co. Ltd. delivers professional host overhauls and preventive upgrades. A systematic rebuild with precision machining and dynamic balancing tech. We provide like new hosts with enhanced performance, reliability, and energy efficiency. A steady long-term investment for your productivity and a durable, cost-effective power core for your compressed air system.